Good afternoon, everyone. If you're watching this video, it is probably Wednesday, April 29th. Please make sure that you've already completed your warm-up for the day. Remember that I'll post a key that you can use to check your warm-up at the very end of the week. But you'll need to make sure that you check and correct your video using a colored pen. Yesterday, you worked on completing your graphic organizer, answering the questions of comparing and contrasting the structures and information from our two passages. Today, you're going to focus on your writing. And so our skill we're working on is I can write opinion pieces that use arguments from myself and the text, and I can describe my writing and give more details regarding my reasons. So you're really being an effective writer, a persuasive writer, and stating your opinion. And this is one of the types of writing that is on your standardized test, is stating an argument or opinion and providing reasoning and evidence. So today, I'm going to go ahead and go to our checklist. So have your checklist out where you can see. Your only work today is to complete your graphic organizer and write your two paragraphs. And you're going to write those on separate paper, or you're going to write them on a Google Doc. I would think the organizer might take about 20 minutes. Sometimes it's kind of hard to think about ideas, and then maybe 15 minutes for your paragraph. So again, this is a really short day of learning, which means that you can get caught up on anything in math or science that you need to work on. All right, I'm in my packet where it says write about it, and this says April 29th. April 29th. And here's your writing prompt. Imagine that the year is 1969. So this is when the Vietnam War was going. Think about both sides of the argument for lowering the voting age from 21 to 18. You will be asked to choose a side and give your reasons for your opinion. So should they lower the voting age from 21 to 18? So first off, you're going to make your decision. Are you yes, lower it to 18, or no, keep it at 21? And you're going to need to write a sentence that starts your paper off. Now, we practiced doing this. We called it O-re-re-o. So your first one is your opinion, and you have to state what you believe. And you can even start it off. In my opinion, they should, I'm going to write ... I'm going to let you finish that one off. Now, the article gives several reasons in both articles that you are welcome to use. You might, if you do use those reasons, you might want to say something like, in the first passage or in the second passage. So I need two reasons, and once you state your reason, we all know that you have to give further information. You have to explain and give examples. So if you, for instance, if my opinion was that cats are better than dogs, it might be because cats are very independent, and I can go out of town without having to board them, and I can leave them alone for long periods of time. So you need to develop a reason and explain it, or give two examples. Develop a second reason and explain it and give two examples. Now, our writing tomorrow and the next day is going to focus on how to write really good introductions. So we're going to start. I want you to go ahead and write these two paragraphs. So here's your first paragraph, and here's your second paragraph. But we are going to proofread and edit and add an introduction and conclusion, or some people call introductions leads or hooks. We're going to add that to your writing over the next couple of days. So you can go ahead and just write your two paragraphs. All right, so writing your ideas, this might take about 20 minutes, and then your paragraphs shouldn't take more than 15. All right, I'll see you all tomorrow for our topic, which will be writing good leads. All right, have a great afternoon.